yung shoulder press. Okay, shoulder exercise number 1, shoulder press. Alright, simple lang, di ba? Yan. Alright, okay, the same thing, no? Gagawin natin siya ng 3 to 4 set ng 8 to 12 repetitions. Alright, okay. So kung nasisimplehan kayo dyan, guys, pwede nyong gawing much intense yan. Ganito gagawin nyo, guys, no? Ayan. Woo! Alright. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo maging mas intense pa ang inyong shoulder press, gawin nyo ganyan. Alright. Alright. Woo! I can feel my shoulder burning. Ayan. Woo! Dagdagan natin siya ng bands. And of course, huwag niyo makakalimutan, guys, no? Every set, magpahinga kayo ng at least 30 seconds, guys. No? Alright. Shoulder press. Last thing.